What's up, jammers? Welcome back to another video. It is Zero Gravity BTS, and today we have an update on Animal Jam.
지금부터 손에 불날 때까지 박수 차차차차 이때 다시 불며 쳐 박수
So, camels are here, and from what I've seen, they are not the greatest. Like, Animal Jam, why? Why? Okay, well, let's check out the camels. I know my friend Maria has the camel. I don't think she has it on since Animal Jams are not loading, so we're gonna have to find out for ourselves at Animal. Okay. Oh, that's a llama. There's the camel. Oh my god, Animal Jam. Okay. We'll do... we'll do that. Okay. This is gonna be bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Animal Jam. Why? Oh my god. What is this? Why is the camel? I really don't like this. Oh my god. What? What? Animal. Animal Jam. What? Oh my. This isn't cool, Animal Jam. This stinks. Like, why is it like that? Why is it acting like that? That does not look good. That... What? What is this? What is this? Animal Jam. I don't know about you guys, but that was a waste of 10 diamonds. A waste of diamonds. You see, I'm not gonna stop you guys from, you know, buying the camel, but like, if you don't want to waste your diamonds, I just suggest not to buy it, because from what it looks like, Animal Jam hasn't finished with it, even though they put it out already, but I feel like they could have worked on it more to where it wouldn't look like that, if you know what I mean. Animal Jam, this isn't okay. Peace.